you need paper towel, magic eraser, and a degreaser. As you can see, someone left the sunroof open, and that very night, it rained. First, get the paper towel and stuff in the pocket, just so the degreaser doesn't go all over the place. Next, apply the degreaser onto the magic eraser, as well as the location that we scrub it down with. Apply light pressure onto the magic eraser, removing the white spots. The last step is removing that paper towel and wipe down all the leftover residue from the degreaser. On the next clip, you'll be able to see best results. On the left side is controlled, and on the right is where we apply the magic eraser with the degreaser.